been running this while the air is off. Soon it will be back on. Hopefully we won't have any issues anymore. Someone's gonna get mad that I'm not getting to the point. So let's drag it out even longer. Hesitated when I started it up on low. Don't know why. As you can see, the bearings are fine. I got my cable tied up for later. I'm gonna use that for the cable distribution system later. Probably won't do that on video. My delusional dimwit brother thought they were staring at him. He's so full of himself. No one wants to stare at you. So I nailed the nail in without smashing the hell out of my finger. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Well, it's not really off topic. The internet guy, he used this. That just used to be a derelict thing. I have a theory that went to the roof. Because my mother had a TV set up in here a long time ago before I existed. And I think that's where that went. Freaking moth. Executed. So that goes down here and into the wall somewhere. The thing I showed in the last video. Okay. I'll just have to point at what I'm filming, quote unquote filming. It's a hard habit to break. Not against using film, we're just not using film. Right, dead in the middle of the camera view. This isn't making a whole lot of noise. Okay. Could set the lamp on the floor. I'll probably step on it though. Using a LED light bulb. If you wanted to know, let me drag out the video more. Echo Smart. Model A7A19A100 WESD05. Made in China. I like LED, but as long as it's the color temperature isn't too high. Okay. There's another fucking moth. Oh, no, it's right there. Okay. Still didn't look for the power supply for the power inserter yet. Okay. Looking forward to dinner, having beef. Move the viewfinder a little bit more to the wall where it's facing the wall so I can see what I'm doing because I'm facing the wall. Okay. Could zoom in a bit. Usually more of the person who says, I'm going to do this and pause the camera and do it off camera. It's kind of hard to get a grip on these. They're kind of slippery. Still in view? Yes. I should just use these instead because it's not going to rip the adhesive. Jeez, I was thinking about the other ones. It's not going to... Bastard. It's not going to rip the wallpaper. Why can't I keep a hold of this one? Why does my thumb have soot on it? There we go. Put the viewfinder back in place. Now we move on to the floor. It's funny, I have the speaker wire beside the cable, and I just zip tied it. Okay. Let's bring the tripod closer to the wall. shut up. You can hear him running his stupid mouth. Yeah, you can. Shut the hell up. I'm so sick of you existing. Let's move the viewfinder so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, you can go to the menu while you're recording. Get out of here. Thank you. Thinking we should do it like this. It's always a bitch fest around here. Bitching and complaining about stupid shit. Superman trailer. Cool, go watch that. My brother spends 80% of his time in the mirror. Fucking douchebag. Done. Cool. Itch break. It's like I'm allergic to oxygen or some crap. As of now, next week, probably gonna go pick up this radio. It's AM and FM. Can't even see what I'm doing. I hate this crap. Ow, my head. Okay. Probably just speed this up. Sorry about that, but it's whatever. No one's ever complained about how I edit my videos, but, you know. Thought about taping these on, but I thought that was kind of retarded. Kind of like myself. Whoops, other way. Or gluing it to the wire, that'd be stupid. I just thought of that just now. I'm not going to do that. Made in China. Great, it keeps popping out of the wall. Okay. It's getting kind of tight, so I'm going to cut here and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we're done. I think I did a little bit better job than the internet guy. Here's my cable on the right, and here's that existing cable. We have the power inserter right there. Nice. Might tuck that under the dresser later. And this is not finished by any means. So I guess I'll stop for now. Actually, no, we gotta do that test. See if we can still get channel 33. If not, we'll just use channel 11. So let's do it before the battery runs out. Couldn't find the correct power supply, so we're using 1 less volt and 100 plus more milliamps. Hopefully it's not going to fry anything. Helps to plug it in. Okay. Whoops, I'm kind of clumsy with that. Remember when that came out? What a setup. This is in my video of the 1-year update of the LXI TV that used to be back there. Video input. Cozy TV's coming in well. Whoops, I was pressing the channel button.
Daddy, cheer up. Let's watch some TV. Where there's something good on.
Watch a little too.
I believe it's a Trinitron as well. See how our signal is. Oh, it's not great, but it's better than nothing. Go to the top. This looks kind of blurry.
It's a ceasefire.
Ew, it looks blurry.
Was clear.
What the hell?
These people, their family members are dying in there.
We don't have the manpower to deal with the
Oh,
panic.
that's on them.
To
Look.
maintain the quarantine.
What is happening?
What the hell? That's crazy.
Know the truth about the numbers,
Okay.
and we will have to live with it.
Very good signal. Great entertainment. Very good signal. Nice. Cozy TV, as you saw before, very good signal.
Whelming
Channel
outbreak
13, because sometimes they'll have
it's deadly.
music-related
I'm
things.
taking hold.
23, good. Try to do this on the fly and keep it
That's a list
quick.
of things I can't eat.
Channel 33, pretty good. We got 33.4. Cool, we can still get that. Excellent. Oops. Come on, unmute.
Our debt that the government has and the
Very good
value of
signal.
the dollar.
Ion, very good signal. Good enough signal.
Look at me like that.
Pretty good.
You know, my
68-4, pretty good.
Surviving the
Probably
more than
still
1
can't get
mile
me TV. I don't know what the
treacherous
hell
waters
happened.
between the
See,
island.
can't get channel 55. No clue. Like, what the hell? So, looks like we still have a good signal.
Pound for pound, the best boxer in the world. Roy Jones Jr.
Saw that on the Philips Magnavox back in the day. I still can't find that set. It's not even that old. Why the hell can't I find it? Anyway, we've been using the audio recorder for the last portion. And now we're done. Actually, the video's not over yet. Did a little bit more. Should really clean up this frame here. Don't know why some goof painted this white. Stupid. Why is the cable so dingy? Sure, it doesn't matter. Just a complaint. I had the black clips up there, but I removed them and used these instead, plus they match the white frame. So even though I'm never going to see this, might as well do the same thing I did up there for terms of consistency. Wait, I don't think I said that right. For sake of consistency. That's what I should have said. Soon it'll be time to eat. Usually eat around 7. Been editing this part of the video by pausing. So I edit that one, and I think we'll be done. I thought that blocked the light for when someone has the lights on at 4 a.m. for some bullshit reason. And last night I found out it didn't work. Gonna have to break out the goo gun. Speaking of not working, the stupid nozzle just crapped out. Let's add one right there. Don't have to step on the trash can. That's nice. I hit the wall twice. You can see where I hit the speaker wire. That's not good. It's like this fucking camera. This video is really uncensored. At least it's quiet out there now. So I have selective OCD. I can have a, that's what I was going to say, messy desktop for a few weeks. I'm going to be like, no, you got to clean this thing up. Might add more right there. No, I just got to stop. Maybe right there, because that's kind of sticking out a little bit. Still no one complaining about me hammering. I took the power inserter. I disconnect it. Have enough slack. Might bypass it, because it worked fine without it. It's a few minutes later. And now I'm satisfied. Yeah, this looks like crap, but you can't see it when the door's closed. You can't see it when it's open either. There it is. We have the flash on because the low light sensitivity of the camera sucks. It looks slightly brighter than this. This is some kind of weird coax size, so it's not going to fit like regular stuff does, so it's going to be like that. So there's that. Finished. Here we go. Working at it. And we're going to wrap it up here. The video is really over.